This is my Bridge motor control. Here we have the variables and the pin numbers, and then I set them as outputs, as well as the joystick button being input pull up. And then I have the toggle logic, and then if the motor is on, so if the joystick button was pressed, then it spins it one way, and then if it presses it again, it spins the other way. And then else, it just turns the motor off. And then here we have the fan on the motor. If I press the joystick down slowly, it'll lag a little and then slowly speed up and go counterclockwise. And then I press the joystick and then it will lag and then spin clockwise, getting faster as I move the joystick more.